Hello everyone, Josue here. In this video, we're going to talk about three important topics in psychology, which is our intelligence, motivation, and memory. And for that, we're going to break down these three topics in just this one video. I hope you like it. Now let's get to the Starting off with the video, we have the question, what's intelligence? Intelligence has been defined as the capacity for logic, understanding, learning, and so much more capacities that we have as human beings. More generally, it can be described as the ability to perceive or interpret information. Talk about motivation and what can we do to motivate our students. Way for us to make a person, student, worker, or any kind of person who has a specific task to get more motivated on what they're trying to complete or what their goals are meant to be. For students, one way to motivate is by giving them treats, giving them gifts if they do something right, if they got the answers right, if they respond right, you give them treats. Negative way of motivation is handing them more work. They'll get tired, they'll feel less happy, and they will drop down on the way that they don't want to do this anymore. For me, motivation on students depends on how the students are in the group. If the group likes to get praised by what they did in the classroom, then you motivate them with certain gifts, certain prizes. And there's other types of motivators, but the more focused motivation on students is the prize given to the students that are well, such as in primary schools, they do the star thing for each student that did well today in class. For for middle schools, high schools, they give them points, they give them prizes. Sometimes they get the day off, or things like that motivates the students to keep on doing the same things all over and over and over again, so they can learn by the way that they're being praised on what they're doing. Now, the last part of the topic, memory. What is memory? But not least, memory. The memory is the ability to code, retain, store, and explore the information that our brain has stored, so we can recapture what we had been learned, or we had been taught, or in some things that we usually remember, like family trips, vacations, school, friends, and all that kind of stuff. Memory can be divided on three stages, which is sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Sensory memory is the capacitation of learning through imagery or sensing any type of light, such as the light of the cars, such as the sparks from the fireworks of 4th of July. This way our brain reacts this fast to the light and leaves like a path to know what kind of thing just happened there. Short-term memory is the ability to retain little bit of information. Short-term memories are often really shown more on people who are getting old, like the 3rd generation people, because their memories are not that good enough to retain information. And the last one, the long-term memory. This is more usually common on people such as teenagers and young adults. We are capable of retaining more information than the short-term memory, which leads us to on why in our stages we need to learn on our certain ages these stuff, so we can retain all those details that our teachers are giving. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Bye. See ya.